Now for skincare, I'm going to show you how I rejuvenate my skin using Lavish Wellness Shop products. So I start off by using the Botanical Facial Cleanser. This is a cream cleanser that works so great on all skin types. Next, I'm going to exfoliate using our microdermabrasion cream. This cream has ground sage, shea butter, and hemp seed oil. Followed by our 4-clay mineral mud mask. I'm going to use half a tablespoon of clay to 1 tablespoon of water. Mix it around till I get the consistency I want, and then apply this all over my face. This mask is an excellent extractor for removing pimples and blackheads. I'm going to leave this mask on for 10 minutes with the steamer or 15 minutes without one. After removing the mask, I'm going to follow up with our Botanical Firming Toner. This toner helps improve skin lipid content and promotes firmness. Next, I'm going to use our Glow Serum, which is an oil-free face and under-eye firming gel. Last but not least, I'm going to be using our Hydroplex Daily Face Oil. This is a lightweight face oil that fights against free radical, reduces dark mark and acne scars with omega-6 fatty acid. It tightens skin and stimulates collagen, as well as contain omega-9, which is a natural sunscreen. And this is the results, guys. Healthy, glowing skin. Do this weekly and your skin will thank you.